Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're painting a calm tropical beach scene step by step. This is a really relaxing one and a great way to practice soft blending, simple water, and easy foliage. If you've ever wanted to paint something peaceful and beachy without it feeling overwhelming, you're in the right place. Let's go ahead and get started. For this painting, you'll want to pause here and gather your supplies. Once you're ready, press play and we'll begin. We're going to start by applying cerulean blue and titanium white directly onto the canvas. Using a slightly damp flat brush, begin blending these colors together across the upper half of your canvas. Use soft, horizontal strokes, moving gently from side to side. Let the colors mix naturally on the surface. Focus on creating a smooth, calm transition. This will become our soft sky background. Now, switching to a smaller flat brush, load a bit of phthalo blue. We're going to lightly sketch in a distant mountain shape toward the upper left area. Keep this simple and soft. Distant elements should stay subtle, so try to use a lighter touch and less paint here. Next, clean your brush and pick up some sap green. We'll paint another mountain in front of the first one. Let parts of that first mountain peek through. It adds depth without any extra effort. Keep the edges slightly uneven so it feels more natural, like a real hillside. Now let's move into the water. Mix turquoise blue and light green on your palette and begin painting the ocean area along the left side of your canvas. As you apply the paint, you can bring in a little extra blue directly on the canvas and blend it softly. If you're enjoying this so far and want more step-by-step seascapes like this, we have a free 5-day Seascape painting challenge that walks you through it day by day. You can join anytime at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Take your time here, keeping your strokes smooth and natural. You can bring in a little extra blue directly on the canvas and blend it softly. This helps create variation and depth in the water. And if you've ever struggled with getting water to look natural, that's something we go much deeper into inside our Seascapes course. We break it down into a simple, step-by-step system so it actually makes sense. Next, we'll mix titanium white with a small amount of burnt umber to create a soft sand color. Apply this across the remaining area of your canvas. You can adjust the mix as you go, adding more white or more brown to vary the tone slightly. Then, using a damp brush, blend everything together until the sand looks smooth and natural. Now we'll move into the foreground details. Using a round brush, mix sap green and light green. Starting from the corner, press your brush down and gently pull outward to create long, curved leaf shapes. Try to keep each stroke fluid and slightly different. You can rotate your brush angle to create more natural variation. Add another grouping of leaves near the lower area. You can introduce a slightly darker green or even a touch of black near the base to create shadows. This helps give your leaves more dimension. If you'd like to keep painting with us, your next step is our free Seascape Painting Challenge. It's a simple 5-day series that helps you build confidence with water, waves, and beach scenes. Keep some leaves lighter, some darker, and leave a few small gaps so everything doesn't feel overcrowded. Now for a soft pop of color. Mix magenta and white, and using a clean round brush, gently tap in small flower clusters. Some can be lighter, some brighter. Just vary the mix slightly. You can place a larger cluster on one side and a few smaller accents along the leaves. Next, take a small flat brush and load it with white. We'll add the shoreline where the water meets the sand. Use soft horizontal strokes and lightly drag some white into the water to suggest movement. This doesn't need to be precise, just a few simple strokes will bring it to life. As a final step, we'll add a few soft clouds above the mountains. Using white paint and a light touch, gently blend small circular and dragging motions into the sky. Keep these very soft and subtle. And if you're ready to really understand how to paint seascapes in a way that feels clear and consistent, that's exactly what we teach inside our full Seascapes course. You can find both links right below this video. And that's your finished tropical beach scene. If you enjoyed this painting and want to keep going, we do have a free 5-day Seascape painting challenge where we walk you through more scenes like this step by step. You can join that at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. And if you're ready to really understand how to paint water in a simple, consistent way, that's exactly what we teach inside our full Seascapes course. Both links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And thank you so much for painting with us. We'll see you in the next one.